Hello all! Today we continue to dive into the world of seafood by making salmon burgers with a twist. We'll prepare salmon patties using salmon belly combined with salmon filet. The taste will be much more rich with a buttery flavor and more moist when compared to a typical salmon fillet cut. We'll begin by chopping up the salmon into small pieces. The salmon consistency should look like this. See all those rich and buttery nuggets of salmon belly? This is my secret that will elevate this burger to a whole new level. Next, we'll season using dill, black pepper, basil, and Hai's seasoning salt. Let's give it a good mix, and crack an egg in to act as a binder. Give it another good mix. Now we are ready to form the patties. We'll scoop a patty size of the mixture onto a tray. Now place the tray into the freezer to firm up. As for condiments, we'll use the leafy portion of a Napa cabbage. Boil the cabbage for a few minutes, and then we'll cut these into bits, just like this. As for the sauce, we'll be using ketchup, QP mayo, and sriracha hot sauce. Give this a mix, and the sauce is now ready. Now we're ready to pan fry the salmon patties. Heat up a pan to medium and place the patties flat side down. Wait until the edges are brown before turning them over. This should take another 3 minutes or so. If you are enjoying this video and want to see more content just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I release new videos. Here is some freshly baked bread. Boy, this smells amazing. Slice out 2 slices. Look at the steam coming out. I can't wait to eat this, but we'll have to wait. Spread some of the sauce, layer on some cabbage bits, add on an egg, place a salmon belly on top, and slice it up. I'm going in for a bite. Oh, that's so good. And there you have it, salmon belly on freshly baked bread. You can't buy this, but you can surely make it.